Hello, Birch class. Here is your maths assignment for the next 2 days. Nice, fun stuff, chilled out stuff, but challenging stuff too. We're going to do some space math challenges and have a look at our summer learning websites for maths. So, first job, go and open up the Google Doc that I've set you all. Off you go. Click on that, get it open. Then come back to this. You can press pause, come back to this once you're done. Are you done? Good. Right, I want you to go straight to Maths Frame. Click on the Maths Frame link and do a times table test. Once you've done that, I want you to go back to your Google Doc and record your score. There's the link for times table test. Let's get that done and then come back to this. Off you go. Right, once you've done that, next challenge is to open up one of your space challenge sheets. So it could be number invaders, where you will need your on-screen calculator to blast numbers. Have a read of that one. Or it could be intergalactic football, where you will need to work out how many teams play games against each other. Sorry, the number of games and number of teams play against each other. Or it could be, I think my favorite one, Zids and Zods, working out how many Zids and Zods are around. Have a go at each one. Now, then you need to think. You need to get your thinking heads on and work things out. They're kind of challenges and puzzles, a lot of them. And if Mrs. Scully's around, if you're here at lesson time, ask her. I'll be around, so ask me. We'll be playing in the classroom as well. So that's that one. Once you've done that, and try and do 2 of those. Once you do that, have a go at playing one of our maths games we played during the year, like Deckham Add or Difference. Grab yourselves a pack of cards, find someone to play with, or if you're on your own, challenge yourself, turn 2 cards over, play Deckham Multiply, turn a 3 and a 4 over and make 12, turn a 5 and a 6 over and make 30. Play Deckham Difference, turn a 7 and a 2 over to make the difference of 5, turn a 10 and a 1 over to make a difference of 9. If you're playing with someone else, try and beat them. Grab those pairs of cards, and the person with the most cards at the end is the winner. We're going to play it in class and we'll wash our hands afterwards. On your Google Doc, same as with the space challenge, I want you to record what you did and what any answers are, and with the Deckham games, which game you played. Next thing to do is I want you to spend 5 or 10 minutes just going onto the school website and find the summer learning opportunities. I want you to scroll down for the Key Stage 2 maths sites. Click on those. Oh, that was English. My bad. And then have a look at some of those sites. Some of them are subscription sites. I like the ones near the end that are things like Enrich. That's a really good site. Lots more puzzles on that. Oxford Owl is good. I've not tried the Maths Factor. Top Marks is really good, and so is White Rose Math. Some of them, they're whole lessons. Once you've done that, again, in your Google Doc, why don't you type out which site you looked at and what you liked about it? Okay, there's your Google Doc. So we've got the maths games we played and what website you used. And then, for a bit of chill out, I want you to go and open up Scale of the Universe. I think I've shown you this before. I'm not sure you'll hear the music. You might have to enable Flash. Oh gosh, what's going on here? Once you enable Flash, in you go. And you'll be able to scroll up and down with the slide bar to look at things as they get smaller. And it kind of blows your mind. all the way to the tiniest of things, all the way up, out into the universe as they get bigger. It's a fabulous sight. I know I think a lot of you have seen it before. And I want you on your Google Doc to write me a fact or two. Maybe the fact that some of the, maybe the biggest thing, like the biggest tower, the biggest man-made building in the world is the Burj Khalifa. That could be a really good fact. There's the highest waterfall in the world. And then we go out into space. Write me a fabulous fact that you learned from Scale of the Universe. Okay. And once that's done, your last job, now that you're full of math skills, is to go back to Maths Frame and do the maths test one last time and see if you can beat your score. Beat your score, type it up on your Google Doc, and you're done. And on Friday, we're doing it all again. We're going to do 2 of the different challenges. We're going to do Maths Framing at the beginning and at the end. We're going to look at another website, and you can look at Scale of the Universe again. Repeat it all. And I'll be online just for a chat about how you can focus on maths over the summer. And we can hopefully play some of the games between those of us in school and those of us at home, like a game of Deckham against each other. We'll give that a go. Enjoy, and I'll see you online. And don't forget to turn your Google Doc in, your assignment in, on Friday at the end of the second maths lesson, not the end of the first one. See you online.